Is your BMW Mini Media Pack XL Central Infotainment Screen faulty? If your screen has incorrect colored lines displayed or pixels missing, then replacing the LCD will fix your issue. At QuickCycle, we provide OEM quality replacement parts, delivered the next day in the UK, and shipped internationally. We provide detailed instructions and after-sales support to ensure your repair is successful, easy, and quick to complete. There are a few different types of screens fitted to the BMW Mini Central Infotainment Systems, or CIDs. They come in two main types: the 6.5-inch screen size and the 8.8-inch Media Pack XL, which can also be referenced as the Harman Infotainment 10BT Evo. Regardless of the type fitted to your vehicle, we have parts in stock to meet your requirements. All replacement screens we offer can be fitted without the need for recoding the car or the use of any diagnostic equipment. Screens are suitable for both left and right-hand drive models. The following tools are required to replace the LCD on your BMW Mini: a set of automotive trim pry tools and a set of Torx bits. If you need any of the required tools or an OEM quality replacement screen, please visit our website for quick shipping and a fast and cost-effective resolution to your issue. Please check the description on this video for our selected products. Now let's get into the repair process. Release the two plastic clips from the bottom of the screen bezel. Press the center button of the clip inwards to release the clip. With the clip buttons pressed in, the clips can be removed with your nails. The chrome screen bezel can then be removed from the screen. Start at the bottom and work your way to the top. With a small pry tool, work your way around. The final top clip can be hard to release. Get the pry tool between the bezel and slide across to release the final clip. Remove two Torx screws on the bottom of the screen. Remove the top air vent to allow access to release the top screen module clip. Pry from the front edge to release. The cover is hard to pry out, so make sure you have some good pry tools. The final step to remove the screen is to depress the clip through the hole at the front of the air vent in the center. Pressing a screwdriver vertically through the small middle hole will depress the clip and allow for the screen to be pulled forward. The screen is secured at the top by two other clips, so some force is required to get the top of the screen to unclip. With the screen module removed, remove the electrical connectors by depressing the buttons on the connectors. Take care when removing the purple connector. Press the button to release and pull out the square connector. Don't twist it. Remove the 5T20 Torx screws. Replacement screens come with an additional PDF instruction manual on this process produced by QuickCycle that goes into further detail to ensure the success of your repair and reduce the chance of any damage during this process. Unclip the plastic bezel from the screen module. Remove the one Torx screw holding the back aluminium cover on the central infotainment screen module. Two ribbon cables need to be removed to exchange the daughter board onto the new screen. Take care to read the full PDF instructions supplied with the screen. Flip the front edge of the ribbon cables connector up to release the ribbon cable. Carefully remove the ribbon cables from their housings. With the ribbon cables removed from the daughter board, unclip it and remove it. Disconnect the ribbon cable from the old screen. Replace the defective LCD infotainment screen with the replacement part. Please see the QuickCycle website to purchase an OEM quality replacement screen. Reinstall the daughter board and ribbon cables in the reverse of the instructions provided in the PDF instructions. We hope this instruction from QuickCycle has helped you repair your vehicle. Please give our video a like and a comment, and subscribe for our future videos. If you need a replacement screen, please visit our UK website from the link in the description for an OEM quality replacement part available to be shipped worldwide.